Is your heat pump ready for another season in Cedar Rapids? Regular tune-ups are the key to keeping your system running efficiently and your home comfortable all year long. At Novak Heating and Cooling, we specialize in professional heat pump maintenance that helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, lowers your energy bills, and extends the life of your equipment. During a tune-up, our certified technicians inspect electrical components, clean or replace air filters, check refrigerant levels, and ensure your thermostat is working correctly. We also clear debris from your outdoor unit and verify that safety controls are operating as they should. Because heat pumps work year-round, they need more frequent maintenance than other systems, ideally twice a year. If you've noticed uneven temperatures, strange noises, or rising energy costs, it's time to schedule a tune-up. Trust Novak's decades of experience and commitment to honest, straightforward service. Call us today at 319-364-4626 to book your heat pump tune-up.